Hi guys, Shira here, welcome back to my channel. So today video I'm going to do my Valentine's Day makeup tutorial and I'm really excited about it this holiday because I really love this holiday. It's so happy just to get gifts from your spouse and it's really fun, just to go to restaurant and I so love it. So today's video I'm going to show you my Valentine's Day tutorial. I just think that Valentine's Day is really like, for me, it's mean like very red lipstick, but for the eyes I'm going to do something very simple and not something too bold, and that's it. So let's start. So I'm starting to use in primer, right? First, for the foundation, I really recommend you use and this Estee Lauder. This one is double wall, and I just think this one is really good if you want to use it for nighttime and you do this makeup for nighttime. So this one is the perfect foundation if you want to get a glam look, and it's really good. So for the concealer I'm using in this Too Much L'Oreal. Do you know guys, this one is honestly is my favorite. It just has so many coverage and I just so like it because it just looks like a natural cover out of the eyes. So for the brows, I'm just using in this brush. This one is MAC, is 505 SE, and I just like that one because I just like the brows look like washy, and because I like them to look natural. And if I have this hair, so what I'm doing here, I just like that. And then it just look better. So for the eyes, I'm not using anything special. I'm just going to do very simple eye look, and I'm just using in that one. This one is eyeliner of Lancome. This one is number 1 black, and it's really good. So guys, the last step for the eyes, I'm going to use a little bit chocolate eyeshadow here and here under the eyebrow. And I just like this palette so much. Just to add a little bit shimmery look, just a little bit, to add a little bit glow. Oops. And that's it for the eyes. I just really love to do simple look for the eyes when I'm doing like a wet lips, because when you do like a wet lips and both eyes, it look like too much and I just don't like it. And this one is my favorite for wet lipstick, so it's really nice. So I'm using in this Smashbox palette. Like you know, I used this in the last videos makeup, and I just really like this palette because it has like so many options, and honestly it's really good. So I'm just starting to do a contour and a little bit bronzer for the cheeks. So the next step I'm going to use in blush, and I'm just going to mix 3 of them and just a little bit. So to be honest, I really like to do contour for my face when I'm going to out or something, when I just want to look glam and perfect. So I really like to do correction and just to do contour. So what I'm just going to do, I'm just using in baking powder, and I'm just going here. So I'm not baking too much. So what I'm starting to do, I'm just taking this powder brush and just take it out. So for shimmer, I'm using in this color. This one is just ultra color, and I just so like it. So perfect. I just like this shimmer so much because it's not look like too much glow, but it's in the perfect color, and it's just so pretty. Just a little bit in my nose. Perfect. So I just keep going to the lips. I'm using in this Smashbox Always Sharp Clear Lip Liner, and I just think that it's really good, and it's really effective to use it because you can use it like with any color shade that you want, and it's really nice. I don't see any number in it, but it just called Always Sharp Smashbox Clear Lip Liner. just like when you see a little bit white line here, then it will be easier for you to apply the lipstick. So my favorite red color is Top Wine of Kylie Jenner. This one is Kylie Jenner Matte Liquid Lipstick. It's not from the new collection, but this one is seriously is so good. I just like this color. I think that I bought I don't know, 6 months ago, but it's really good. I just like this color. It's just a little bit cherry, and it's not like a bold red, but it's a little bit sweet and cherry, and I really love it. This is my final look for Valentine's Day, and I really love it because it's the perfect look for Valentine's, and it's very simple. You know, I just didn't do something very difficult for the eyes, just very simple eye look and red lips. That red lips I think is the perfect for Valentine's because I don't know, red lips is like total Valentine's Day. Like you have to apply red lipstick in Valentine's Day because it's just look romantic and flirty, and I really love it. So guys, if you like the look like I like, just don't forget to thumbs up, subscribe to my channel, and just to see my next video I think. So guys, thank you so much for watching me. Happy Valentine's! Bye!